Odong. Bradley Wokorach. Huge clearance from Bradley Wokorach. And given back to the goalkeeper Dalton Oyo. The defensive Sports Club Villa bringing the game to Mbale Heroes. And Mbale Heroes not giving any kind of respect really to the 17-time league champions. They believe they are champions in their very own way. And they can go down and squeeze something from this game. Ronald Sechiganda, a national team material. Waiswa Kosia is standing on this ball alongside Pius Kagwa. We have 5 minutes of normal time to play. Mbale Heroes with a free kick in the place of potential. Pressure right now from Mbale Heroes to provide. A step further. Kosia together with Pius Kagwa, who takes the free kick. It's Kosia! Brilliant! Very, very brilliant! Bajiru, the Arsenal fan, is not clapping, but they don't mind. What a strike from Waiswa Kosia! This is the true meaning of football. This is the true meaning of a lead. The surgeons have just slaughtered one of the legs of the cock. And listen to this. Listen to this. What a free kick from Waiswa Kosia. Bradley Wokorach beaten from the near post. What a free kick. The Star Times Uganda Premier League, electric, real electric. We have seen goals in the Star Times Uganda Premier League. We have seen exceptional goals this year. It's a goals galore. Kosia with a